Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create a boiling animation with Adobe After Effects and Adobe Illustrator like this. Guys, this is very easy to make because I can create this, so you obviously you can able to create this. And no need to panic because I will explain you step by step. So watch full video and you can create this.
Before starting, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more videos like this.
So as you can see in my Adobe Illustrator, I have created this beaker and you can download my Adobe Illustrator file, link in the description below. You can download it free without any cost. So once you have created this beaker in your Adobe Illustrator, you have to save this project in Adobe Illustrator file. Now open After Effects and click on this new composition. You can give here any name and choose size as 9, and now you have to change frame rate to 30 and my color code is here. Now click on OK. Yeah, now drag your Adobe Illustrator file, which is our beaker, drag it in After Effects and drag this layer into timeline. And don't forget to click on this icon so you don't lose the quality of this layer. Select pen tool and close the fill and close the stroke. Now let's create a shape. Now choose any color and change the name of this layer, and you can change the color. And now you have to select rectangle tool and create a rectangle like this, and now you have to give the color which is in my Adobe Illustrator. I will copy this color, copy it and paste it here. And now select move tool and put it here, and you can change the name wave 1 and press U. Now select wave layer and put it below the mask layer. Select this wave layer and go to toggle switches and click on this none icon, click on alpha matte, so magic is here. You can see. Now select wave layer and go to effects panel and search here wave and drag this effect at your wave layer. Now give the wave height 45 and give the wave width 252 and give the direction -290. Now if you play, you can change the preview quality here. Yeah, fine. Now select both layers and press Ctrl D for duplicate. Now drag these layers all below the layers like mine. Now select this wave 2 layer, go to Adobe Illustrator and I will copy the color which is here and copy it, go to After Effects and paste it here. Now stay at this layer, change the direction -268. Yeah, fine. Now it's almost done. Select all layers and click on this lock icon. Now select ellipse tool and make a small ellipse. Now select move tool and right click on it, go to transform and click on center anchor point And now small it little bit and press U, press Ctrl D for duplicate. Now small it. Now press Ctrl D and drag here and small it. Press Ctrl D, drag here and you can enlarge this one. Now change the color of some of ellipse. Select all ellipse, click on this color and change the color so you can find this layer easily. Select pen tool and start from here and make a shape like this. Open this layer property. Now select path option and press Ctrl C for copy. Now delete this layer and come to any ellipse. Press P for position. Click on this stopwatch icon and press Ctrl V. So you have pasted your path which is we have made by pen tool. Now select these keys, go to keyframe assistant and ease them. And now change the curve like this. Now select these keys, press Ctrl C, come at this ellipse, press Ctrl V, press U, you can see the keys, change the location of this ellipse, change the curve of this path, click on this ellipse and press Ctrl V, press U, you can see the keys. And now change the direction of this ellipse and change the curve also. And do the same at all ellipse. So looking nice, we can improve this animation. So let's start. Select all layers and press U and click on this button so you can see the only layers and set the keyframe as I am doing. If you play, yeah, we can see the improvement. Now select these ellipse and change the curve of this ellipse so it won't merge. You can also change the color. Press this key and select all layers. Press S and press Shift plus P. So you can see the position property and also scale property. Now click on this scale stopwatch icon and don't give here any value. Come forward, add here a keyframe, come forward and now give here value of scale 0. Yeah. Now press this key, you can see the timeline and yeah, here this one, click on this icon so you can see the scale animation. You can see. So our ellipse at this point, yeah, you can delete this key from here to here. This will animating like this. Now here also, now click on this stopwatch icon, come forward at the last keyframe and give here 0. Select this layer, click on this stopwatch icon and come at the last keyframe, give here 0. Now if you play your animation, yeah, good. Now let's improve the scale animation. It's looking fine now. Now select this ellipse and we have forgot the scale animation at here. So come here, click on this stopwatch icon, come forward and give here 0. Put it here. If you play, select all layers and press U. Right click on these layers, click on pre-comp and you can change the name. Don't forget to click on this move all attribute and click on OK. Now click on pen tool and make a shape like this. And change the name of this layer bubble mask. Now click on this none icon and click on alpha matte bubble mask. Oh, sorry. Click on this none icon and click on this alpha inverted matte bubble mask. Now the magic is here. You can see. It's almost done. And set the time of this timeline 2 seconds at here. Press N. So it is animating in loop style. If you increase the time from 2 seconds, it will give a jerk. So make sure you have only 2-second timeline. If you play now, so here you can see loop style. Click at here, choose stream comp to work area. Now you have 2 seconds timeline. And first of all, you have to save this project. Select pen tool. Close the fill. And open the stroke. Open the stroke property. Choose round cap. Select move tool and decrease the size of this stroke. Put it here. Select pen tool and make a shape like this. And give the wave effect on this layer also. Now change the direction and some settings. Yeah, fine. Select this layer, enlarge it. Select this layer, right click on it and choose pre-comp. You can change the name. Decrease the scale. Put it here. And opacity, decrease some opacity. Yeah, fine. Press P for position. Click on this stopwatch icon and put it here at this point. Come forward and drag here and put it here at this point. If you play, oh, very fast. So drag this key at here. Yeah. Drag this key at here. So guys, you can do this part by yourself, and if you have any question you can share by comment box. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please do the like and give your feedback, and if you have any problem you can share by the comment. I will meet you in the next video. Until take care and goodbye.